I'm on site today with Window World, where we've talked a lot about retrofit windows in the past, but today we're actually going to see what happens during a retrofit window installation. So I'm here with Jean Bryan, the owner of Window World San Diego, which is exciting because this is actually a lot faster than any other home improvement I can really think of.
Yeah, this total install, we have 23 windows that are going in here, and these are retrofit installations, which is it's not very invasive at all. So it's a very easy installation, but we do have 3 big doors that are going in here too, which slows it down just a touch, but still about a day and a half.
A day and a half is a breeze when it comes to home improvement, and they're gonna have such a radical transformation over the course of that day and a half. Talk to me about what the retrofit removal is. So we're removing the old windows.
Yes, exactly. And she has right now dual pane windows and they're aluminum. So basically what we do is we take the operable sash out, and then we deglaze the fixed glass, and there's a little mold bar in between that. We take that out, and that leaves the existing frame. Then our new retrofit window slides inside of that. So we back caulk that really well. We almost glue it, so to speak, to that window, and then come inside, foam it, screw it in place, and then do all the interior trim work.
This is really, to me, I think of a puzzle. It's just taking out one piece and putting another piece in its place. But what you're saying, we're not seeing any destruction of the house. The stucco work is staying exactly as it is. Even the windows that have been taken out, we can see it's a hole because that's where the window used to be.
Right.
But the house looks the same outside of there being the hole for the window.
Exactly. And it's really important that the flashing from the old window is not disturbed. So you don't want to go sawing and breaking and cutting and ripping on the frame because it can disturb that flashing underneath the stucco, which then could cause leaks.
What happens if, worst case scenario, something went wrong with that flashing? What would we have to do?
You'd have to remove the stucco around the windows and then reflash the windows using a new construction window instead of a retrofit.
So that is exactly why you definitely want a pro like Window World who has knowledge of all types of windows to handling your retrofit installation or your new construction, because you want to make sure you guys have the right tools and expertise no matter what is happening. Sometimes when you open up that house, you never know what you're going to find.
Exactly. And this is a really nice house. You can see it's up on a hill. It gets blasted by the sun. So she's had just a tremendous amount of time trying to keep it cool inside, where now with the new energy efficient windows, she's not going to have that problem anymore.
No, thank you so much, Jean. She's going to reap all the energy efficient benefits that come with these new retrofit windows. Thank you so much for checking out how retrofit windows get installed. Find more information about Window World on ApprovedHomePros.com. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe.
You'll have full access to see all our videos. From quick tips to full episodes, it's all at your disposal.
That's right. You'll get great information for all your home improvement projects, but even better, you'll have contact information on hand when you need some help.
All the trusted pros in our network are great resources to have. So hit the subscribe button below and check out more videos.